Hello everyone, welcome to After School. Today we are going to read a poem, Art is Hard by Gareth Lancaster. What is an art? Art is an expression of a person's thoughts and feelings. So when you express yourself through writing or singing or dancing or acting, that is an art. Before we start, let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever tried drawing or painting and instead of a beautiful picture, you created a big mess? Paint on the floor, colors on your clothes, and someone at home saying, Ye kya bana diya? If yes, then this poem is exactly about you. This humorous poem talks about a child who tries very hard to do art but feels that art is not easy at all. So let's begin. Painting is really difficult. With pencils, I am nonplussed. Charcoal just gets everywhere, and crayons are a bust. So, the poem begins by saying that painting is really difficult. Let's understand some words. Nonplussed means confused. Okay? Charcoal spreads everywhere and makes a lot of mess. Charcoal is a soft stone like black substance used to draw with. And crayons are a bust. Bust means crayons are a total failure. So here the child is trying different art tools, but nothing is working properly. Have you ever held a pencil and thought, why doesn't my drawing look like the one in the book? Yes, that's exactly how this child feels. The child feels confused or perplexed by pencils, unable to achieve desired results. Okay, stanza 2. Pastels are too tricky, and pens they lead to splodge. Gluing's just too sticky. Paper mache I just botch. Now the child talks about more art materials here. Pastels are too tricky to control. Pastel colors. Pens create big ugly ink spots or stains which are called splodges. This word here. Glue sticks to everything except where it should. Okay. Paper mache, it becomes completely spoiled. What is paper mache? Paper mache means the paper mixed with glue or flour and water that can be shaped to make decorative objects or models that become hard when dry. Okay, so no matter what the child uses, everything goes wrong. Have you ever used glue and ended up with sticky fingers instead of a neat project? Yes, art can be tricky. Third stanza. Art is really taxing. This creating tires me out, and I'm really far too messy. Of that, I have no doubt. So, here the child talks about his or her feelings. Taxing means very tiring, and tires me out means making art makes the child feel exhausted. And in the last line, the child honestly accepts that I am very messy. There is no doubt about it. So important point here is that art needs patience, effort and practice. Do you feel tired after coloring or cutting and pasting for a long time? That means you're working hard. And so don't give up. Okay. Next page, stanza 4. There's paint upon the ceiling and pencil on the chair. There's pastel dust just everywhere. Mum streaking with despair. So now comes the funniest part. Paint is on the ceiling. Pencil marks are on the chair. Pastel dust means dust of pastel colors is everywhere. Mum is shrieking with despair, means shouting because she is very upset. The room looks like a battlefield of art. Has your mother ever said, art sirf copy mein karo? That's what it is. Stanza 5. Our dog stuck to his basket. Crayons scrawled across the door. I think it will be quite a while till I create once more. Things become even more funny. The dog is stuck to his basket because of glue. Crayons are scribbled on the door. Scrawled means drawn carelessly. It is then that the child decides, I will take a long break from art. He says, I think it will be quite a while till I create once more. So message is that art has caused so much chaos that the child needs rest. So what's the tone of the poem? It's humorous, funny, and light-hearted. Did you get the theme of the poem? If yes, do write in the comments. It is that art is not easy for everyone. Making mistakes is natural. Mess is a part of learning. Can you give moral of or life lesson from this poem? Try writing in the comments. According to me, it is even if you are not perfect at art, trying is important. Every artist begins as a messy beginner, right? Now let's look at the summary. There's a child. And what happens? He creates a huge mess with various kinds of paint. Where? In his room. Why? He finds painting difficult as he is not good at it. Okay, and about the poet. Gareth Lancaster is an English poet known for his poems for children. His poetry has been published widely and used in TV shows. Bored, My Fat Cat, Excuses, Excuses, Sailing Out to Space are some of his well-known poems. So children, remember, creativity is not about perfection. It's about trying, enjoying, and learning. So, next time you make a mess while doing art, smile because you are learning something new. So, I hope you understood the poem and enjoyed it. If there are any questions, to ask in the comments. And let's do the book exercises of this poem in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you. Take care.